How to fix Uber Eats promo code not working error. Hey everybody, welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you some ways you can fix your Uber Eats promo code not working error. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. First and foremost, make sure that you are using the latest version of Uber Eats app. Head over to your Play Store and at the top search bar, type in Uber Eats. If you see update sign here instead of open, tap on update. Now once you do so, go ahead and open up your settings app. Scroll below to apps and at the top search bar, type in Uber Eats. Tap onto it and go onto its storage. If you see any clear cache, tap onto it. Now see if this fixes your problem. If it still does not work for you, then you have to uninstall this application and reinstall it again. Long tap onto the app and tap on uninstall. Once done, open the Play Store again, and this is how you can fix your problem. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.